Soundbars have become an essential part of home theater systems, and LG's been putting out some really great options over the last couple of years. Thankfully, it looks like that's going to continue here in 2021. Hi, I'm Carl from Abt, and in this video I'll be giving you a closer look at the new SP8YA soundbar from LG. This offers much better sound than what you'd get from any stock TV speakers, as well as some extra features built in that make it a good one to consider for your home theater. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to click the link in the description after the video to check out all of our latest pricing, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the products that we carry. The soundbar itself is 41.7 inches wide, it's 2.2 inches tall, and 4.7 inches deep. The wireless sub that comes with is 8.7 inches wide, 15.4 inches high, and 12.3 inches deep. Ideally, you'd want to use this setup with TVs that are 49 inches and up, but there's really no reason you couldn't use it with a 43-inch TV if you wanted to. All the onboard controls are located on the top, and they include power, function, volume, play and pause, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. The rest of the options can be accessed through the included remote or through the LG Wi-Fi speaker app, which is available for iOS and Android devices. Inputs include Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi, optical and USB, and an HDMI. There's also an HDMI output with an enhanced audio return channel that can pass through 4K, Dolby Vision, and HDR10 content, as well as playback Atmos and DTS-X to take advantage of the two height effect speakers that are built into the top of the soundbar. It's also compatible across several different platforms, including Google Assistant and Chromecast, Amazon Alexa, Apple AirPlay 2, and Spotify Connect. As far as the sound quality goes, it's hard not to be impressed with this one. It's a 3.1.2 channel system, meaning you get dedicated left, right, and center channels, along with those two upward firing height channels, plus that 220 watt sub. You can even expand it to a 5.1.2 channel system with an optional pair of compatible surround speakers. A big part of the reason it sounds so good is it also has Meridian advanced technology built in, which does a great job separating those left and right channels, making this seem like a much bigger system than it actually is. And the center channel handles dialogue really well, so you won't have really any trouble hearing what the actors on the screen are saying, and the sub provides more than adequate bass, which just brings the mids and highs out even more. And since you're most likely not just using this for movies, you get several other sound modes to choose from, like music, sports, game, and cinema. And if the presets don't fit your needs, you can always adjust the equalizers with the remote. One of my favorite functions, which can come in really handy for anyone who maybe wants to watch a movie but has sleeping children somewhere, or maybe a nosy upstairs neighbor, there's a nighttime mode that brings down the loud sounds and brings up the soft ones, so you can still enjoy what's going on without having to turn the volume way up. This soundbar is going to be ideal for people with TVs that have an enhanced audio return channel, so they can take advantage of those height effects that you can get with Dolby Atmos and DTS-X. But even if you only have a regular audio return channel, this will still be a big upgrade to whatever speakers are built into your TV. If you still have any questions on the SP8YA or anything else we carry here at Abt, be sure to contact our experts. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.